Friends, this is LG F1296 QD24 7K washing machine, inverter, direct drive, 7 kg. Here is a function to set and wash the clothes. LG give us 10-year warranty on his motor. This is better than hand wash. It's a 6-motion direct drive, less noise, energy saving, 10-year motor warranty, and inverter direct drive. This machine can stubbing, filtration, tumbling, rolling, scrubbing, and swing. This machine have one input and one output. This is a drain, output, and this is a input. And now and turn on water supply. After water supply on, and then pull it. This is a washing powder dish container, and you can use any powder for this. After washing machine, close it and turn on. And here you can set what you want to wash, how type of the clothes. This is the sportwear, delight, wool, intensity, quick 30, rinse and spin. And here is a baby care, skin care, divert, easy care, and mixed clothes, cotton eco and cotton. And here you can set the spin. If you want rinse hold, no spin, 400, 800 and 1200. And here is the temperature. This temperature is a water, for water heating. Here is the 60 degree and 95. This is the cold water, and 30, 40. You can set it and play. Then we set here quick 30. This is the quick 30, and it's automatic set spin and temperature. And now we close the door and put inside the clothes, but I am not put inside the cloth for demonstration. And here is a start, and he conjuncts the water from inlet. It's rolling It's a big tub, 7 kg tub. This is the good for clothes, and it's a fully automatic. After 1 month you can pull this and clean. And this is a best washing machine 2015. If you do not want to clothes wash, then you can stop it. Just pause and just take a 2 minutes to open the door. It's not open now. Then you can set, and before you not open the door, you can set any other function too, and then play. If you not, so set it before. Here is a lock. And now it's gone. To show only layout, and then you can open door and remove any clothes or add any clothes. And close. Thanks for watching.